Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits related to the topics parts of speech, verbs, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, phrasal verbs, adverbs, and types of adverbs from the English grammar. Which conjunction is used to connect two equal parts of a sentence? Answer either. Which is not a noun? Answer under. Which is not a plural noun? Answer gas. Which is not a noun? Answer interlink. Which is a noun? Answer grammar. A pronoun takes the place of dash. Answer a noun. Which is not a plural pronoun? Answer it. The form of the intensifying pronoun is the same as the pronoun. Answer reflexive. What is the form of the first person plural object pronoun? Answer we. What is the form of the second person singular possessive pronoun? Answer his. Which is not a past form of a verb? Answer looked. Which is not a plural form of a verb? Answer am. Which is not a modal verb? Answer is. Which is not a simple tense of a verb? Answer heard. Which verb can be both singular and plural? Answer see. Which does not belong with the others? Answer Wednesday. Which does not belong with the others? Answer radio. Which does not belong with the others? Answer category. Which philosopher is known for classifying animals and words? Answer Aristotle. Which of the following is the name of the category that the other words belong to? Answer social. Adverbs are most often used to give more information about dash. Answer verbs. Which contains an adverb? Answer very funny. Which contains an adverb? Answer went quickly. Which does not contain an adverb? Answer ate fast. What is the most common ending for adverbs? Answer ly. Which contains an adjective? Answer old man. Which does not contain an adjective? Answer until now. Which does not contain a possessive adjective? Answer his shirt. Which is not correct? Answer big cars. How many adjectives are in the sentence? The old dog was tired and dirty. Answer 3. Which does a preposition come before? Answer noun or pronoun. Which is not correct? Answer on 5 o'clock. It is not correct. Which is not correct? Answer in a day. All the students in the class learned many new things. Which is a preposition in the above sentence? Answer in. I will go to Bangkok next week if I have enough time and money. How many prepositions are in the above sentence? Answer 2. Which is not a noun? Answer notebook. Which conjunction is used with the correlative neither? Answer nor. Which conjunction fits best in the sentence he will eat dash he gets home? Answer when. I would tell dash you I knew. Which conjunction fits best in the sentence? Answer if. He ate dash he was hungry. Which conjunction fits best in the sentence? Answer if. Dear me, that is terrible. Find the interjections in above sentences. Answer dear me. Which contains an adjective? Answer the fire spread. Which adjective has a plural form? Answer big. How many adjectives are in the sentence I ate a piece of cake with my coffee? Answer 2. Which is not correct? Answer in June 3, 1987. The student in the first row near the window got an A on the test. How many prepositions are in the above sentence? Answer 3. Which conjunction fits best in the sentence I am hungry dash I don't want to eat? Answer but. Come dash get it. Which conjunction fits best in the sentence? Answer and. Nonsense, you can do it. Find the interjections in the above sentence. Answer nonsense. Hey, put that down. Answer interjection. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.